60% of the people who see your offer are going to click away without buying. That is money walking out of the door. But what if you could automatically just tap them on the shoulder and bring them back? We spend so much time getting people to our sales pages, but life happens. The doorbell rings, the kids scream, the phone buzzes, the dog barks. They didn't hate your offer, they just got distracted. And if you don't have a system to catch them, that sale is gone forever. You need a chaser automation. This is a simple email that goes out only to people who viewed your sales page but didn't buy. It goes out about an hour after they viewed the page. It's not pushy. It just says, hey, did life get in the way? Here's the link again. It's the highest ROI email you will ever write, and you only have to write it once. To make this work, you need a sales page that can take payment. You need some way of tracking who's clicked through to the page or who has viewed the page, and an automation to send that email. I show you exactly how to build the whole thing in my free mini course. Just click here to build the sales page first, and that will take the money, or click on the playlist to see the full automation setup. Let's get that revenue back. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hints and tips.